Health benefits of eating mango. Let us see in this video what are the health benefits of eating mangoes in summer. I love eating mangoes. You can see there are so many mangoes in this video. Have you ever thought why do people eat so many mangoes in the summertime? Yes, now I am going to tell you why people like eating so many mangoes in the summertime. Health benefits of eating mangoes. It prevents from cancer, lowers cholesterol, clears the skin, increases the eyesight. It also helps to keep your body alkalized and also gives a good digestion to your body. Do you know mango can also be used as a mouthwash? Yes, many people use as a mouthwash. Mango is also beneficial in reducing the dark spots. So now onwards, whenever you eat mango, so you are not going to throw the peel and you're going to use it for your beauty. One more benefit of eating mango is it helps to control the heat stroke. If you like the video, please share, comment and hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.